An interesting health fact. Did you know that drink water right after you wake up and before you go to sleep? Always stay healthy. Now let's start. Since lungs play a crucial role in our general health, there are plenty of things we should do to help them operate at an optimal level. Unfortunately, our lungs are the most ignored organ of our body. Daily they are exposed to killer pollutants and microbes that get deposited from the air they inhale. The good news is that the lungs are self-cleaning organs. However, long-term inhalation of smoke and other harmful substances can, therefore, overwhelm the lungs' ability to repair themselves. How do I clean my lungs? A lung cleanse can be described as the process of detoxifying your lungs to eliminate toxins. There are a lot of ways that you can give yourself a lung detox, but be wise in your choice. Here are simple tips that you can apply. Adjust your diet. Eating foods high in vitamin D will boost your lung health. A 2017 study of people with asthma showed that healthy levels of vitamin D reduced the number of asthma attacks that needed treatment. Also, consuming anti-inflammatory foods aids in reducing inflammation, which causes breathing difficulties like turmeric, cherries, blueberries, olives. Steam inhalation. Steam therapy is known to open the airways and relieve mucus inside the lungs. By inhaling steam water vapor, it is putting warmth and moisture inside your lungs, which helps to cleanse pollutants stuck in mucus. Steam inhalation can relieve current symptoms and is easy to do at home. Herbs. Another way to cleanse the lungs is to sip specific herbs that have detoxifying antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Herbs can be a powerful remedy to help support and soothe irritation in the lungs on an ongoing basis. Not only are the properties of herbs beneficial, sipping warm or hot tea helps to release stagnation in the lungs and open the pores, like green tea, cinnamon tea, peppermint tea, and ginger tea. Just rub. It is an easy and therapeutic way to clear the lungs and relieve irritation. Applying essential oils to your chest allows detoxifying the lungs topically and orally by inhaling the powerful aromatic scent. To make a natural chest rub, all you need is to mix essential oils together and then directly massage into your chest. The yoga way. Practice deep breathing for half an hour daily. This will help in flushing out the impurities from your lungs. The best way for a lung detox is to quit smoking. Nicotine and tobacco smoke inhibit lung functions and also put you at risk for lung infections and lung cancer.